Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right in here. So as you see, I'm plucking the front of my closure piece. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm just showing you ladies how you can make a closure look a little closer like a frontal. This is my first time kind of messing with it like this. So all I'm doing is plucking a little bit from the front, and then I'm going to section a piece off, and then I'm going to further pluck some more hair. Just that way, once you pull the hair back, it looks a little more natural. So that's all I'm going to do on this part. And after I do that, I just pretty much, I pluck a little bit, and then I pull it back and take a look, and then I part it again. You know, pluck a little bit more. It's time consuming, ladies. It's not my favorite thing to do, but since we all quarantined and whatnot, you know, we can just sit and practice our skills, you know what I'm saying, and get cute. And then when this quarantine over, bam, y'all, we're gonna be out here killing them. Anyway, so as you see, that side is looking a little bit better. It takes a while because what I did like about this hair, this is a 10, 12, 14 inch with a 10-inch closure, I believe. I'll make sure I leave that in the description, but it's quite a bit of hair. They're not stingy with it. I still had hair left over. So, yeah. Anyway, we're just going to do the same on the other side, ladies. And, yeah, I'll just let y'all watch for now. Alright, so now that I like what it looks like, also in the middle of the part, I'm just plucking a little bit of hair out of there. So once I add a little concealer, because we did not bleach this at all, what I do have underneath is a tan colored cap. So then that way it just, you know, it kind of helps with the whole process if you don't feel like bleaching it, or if you don't know how to, or you just being lazy like I was, and I was just like, man, forget it. So I'm liking how the front look. I didn't want to pluck too much because over time, I mean, you know, they kind of end up thinning out themselves. And excuse me, I'm over here looking crazy. That's what happens when you're watching a movie while you doing your hair. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to pluck the middle a little bit. I like my parts not super wide, but I like you to be able to see it. I like it visible. Now from here, we're just going to cut the baby hair, y'all. Y'all seen this before. So I ain't doing too much talking. I'm going to just let you ladies watch this part, and I'll be back.